ISO 9001 QMS diploma, that is Quality Management System diploma, with internal auditor certification course, is a course that gives you a dual certification. The course is offered to you by Asian Institute of Quality Management, and the institute is recognized by a well-known body from UK by the name of ASCB Europe Limited UK. The dual qualification or dual certification you get here is the diploma for the quality management system, which teaches you to understand the requirements of the ISO 9001 standard, and the internal auditor certification teaches you how to carry out internal audits. It qualifies you to become an internal auditor for the organization where you might be employed. Contents of the course largely consist of the concepts and standards of quality systems, along with the new Annexure SL, which has been introduced in the year 2015 version of the ISO 9001 standard. In section 2 and 3, the comparison has been done of the ISO 9001 2015 version, that is the latest version, with the earlier version, which was the 2008 version. Also, we have discussed the 7 principles of quality management and the process approach in this section 2 and 3. Section 4 covers all the clauses of the standard. Basically, there are different clauses which are required to be documented and implemented as part of the quality management system. So the requirements of these clauses have been explained in detail in this section. Section 5 teaches us the concepts of carrying out audits for quality and the techniques to be used while auditing. And section 6 consists of cases which are called as incidents of non-conformity. That means where the system is not fulfilling the requirement, the system has not been followed as per the requirements to be fulfilled. So these requirements not being fulfilled are called as the non-conformities, and reports are prepared which are called as the non-conformity reports. So examples are given here for practical discussion on the non-conformity reports and learning how to write the non-conformity reports. So overall, this course helps us to get the knowledge of the standard and also learn about the auditing tools and techniques and how to write non-conformity reports where the non-conformities are detected during an audit. The ISO 9001 QMS is a mother of all the standards. Various standards have been developed by the international organization ISO Geneva, but this is the base or the foundation. So having knowledge of this standard helps us to understand all the other standards very easily. Most organizations who have been in the business for some years by now would be certified for the ISO 9001 QMS standard. They could be in manufacturing or they could be in service organizations. The question is, what is the importance of this standard? The importance is that any organization, they could be already existing or they could be starting new. They need to work with systems and methods. And the ISO 9001 QMS gives them a basic system to follow so that they can achieve quality in their activities and processes in the organization. Worldwide, if you go to see, more than 1 million organizations follow the ISO 9001 QMS standard. So these organizations are certified as per this standard. It means they are following this standard as per their certification. And in India, the number of such organizations would be more than 200,000. Large organizations like railways, automobile manufacturers, defense organizations in India buy products only from organizations that are ISO 9001 2015 QMS certified. So even to get an entry in these organizations, the certification for this standard is important for the organizations. Due to widespread adoption of the ISO 9001 QMS standard, the knowledge of implementing the standard or auditing the uh, people in the organization as per this standard improves employability for students and working professionals in all sectors of the business. So they can add more value on their jobs. Also, the students can be self-employed as ISO consultants and trainers, and they can go for higher qualification. Once they are certified as internal auditors, they can go for the next level of qualification, that is the certified lead auditor. On completion of the course, the students are required to appear for an online examination of 100 marks. It is an open book examination, and on completion of the online examination successfully, the student gets qualified with the diploma and the internal auditor certification. Both the certificates are recognized by the ASCBE UK. Thank you.